Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Succeed. This video based on Microsoft Word application. This is part 4. In this video we will discuss on how to use cut, copy, paste and format painter on the text. First of all, I am typing equals to RAND bracket open and close. Click enter on my keyboard. RAND command used to print random paragraphs to see it on your page. If you want to copy first para and you can paste end of the passage. So first step is you have to select first para. For that I am using mouse to selecting text. You can also another method selecting text. I press shift plus arrow key. Arrow key depend on text direction, so I press shift plus right arrow key and I using also down arrow key. After selection, you click on copy option in home tab. You can also press Ctrl plus C. So I am using shortcut key Ctrl plus C from my keyboard. So second step is pasting text on another location. I am going to end of the passage and go back to the same place, then you click paste option. Well, I am using shortcut key Ctrl plus V from my keyboard. You can see here this process has been completed. Okay, now I am removing this passage. Let me see in another example. So now I am just typing a sentence. We are learning Microsoft Word. I want to type 5 times in this page. So I am using copy and paste command. First step, I am selecting this sentence and press Ctrl plus C for copy on my keyboard. After you select the location where you want to paste 5 times on this page. I am clicking on the bottom of the line. I press Ctrl plus V for paste sentence on my keyboard 5 times. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V and Ctrl V. Here you can see result. Okay. Let us see another one example of using copy and paste command. If you want to copy the text from another file and paste in document 1. So first step is I am going to the desktop. See here a file Computer Succeed. Open this file and I want to select all text. So I am using shortcut key Ctrl plus A for select all text from my keyboard and then press Ctrl plus C for copy text and go back to document 1. Press Ctrl plus V for pasting text. Okay, here you can see the result. Next is let me see what are the functions of cut and paste command. Select the one of the paragraph or text you want to cut first. I am selecting this paragraph from my keyboard. So press shift plus arrow key. After selection, we need to press Ctrl plus X for cut command. Cut command used to remove the item from its current location and after that you can paste the text in new location. Okay. So I am going to click on the page and press Ctrl plus V. Here you can see the result. Okay. Last is Format Painter, which is present in the clipboard group. It is used to quick apply and same formatting such as color, font style, size, border style and multi-pages of the text. The Format Painter lets you copy all the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. So I am going to select first para and apply bold, italic, underline, and text color. Okay. If you want to copy text formatting, select a portion of a paragraph that has the formatting that you want to copy. Okay, and press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus C from my keyboard. You can also use Format Painter option on Home tab. Fine. After that, I am going to select plain text and press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus V on my keyboard. Basically, you can also apply this command more than one time. Let me show it to you. In the same way, first select plain text and press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus V, and again you can repeat this process multi times. If you found this content useful, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. Again, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.